Welcome to Pro Se Lawsuit Center. Today's video will focus on a new package that I put together because of what they're doing to me. And what we're doing, this package represents what I'm talking about when I say stopping the court process 101. Okay, so let me ask you guys something right out the gate. Did you know that the magistrate judges are lesser judges? They're lesser judges. They can't rule in a case without the consent of all parties, everybody. Yet they overstep every day. That's why I built the magistrate judge $2 million lawsuit package. Now, this package is not like you're going to get anywhere else. Fraudulent concealment tolls the statute of limitations. We use that as a cause of action. Just having it in the body tolls the statute of limitations, which allows the deployment of this package regardless of how long ago the violation or violations occurred. Usually it's more than one. Now, this filing doubles as a notice of claim to put pressure on the Chief Justice to order the settlement conference. Now, if you guys have noticed, in the thumbnail, it says notice of claim, but in the actual document, it's the only thing that you need to do to turn this into the notice of claim is take out claim and put notice. And now it's a notice of claim. Why would you do that? Well, if you already got them jammed up over here, you know, maybe it'd be better just to let them know that you want put this notice on their and maybe they'll get the lead out. That's kind of the idea. You know, it's like a little bluff you can throw out there, but it's real. You can bring it as a supplemental pleading right in behind what you're doing and add the judge right to it. But, you know, you want to give them an opportunity to do the right thing. At least that's how I would see it in here. So this package gives you federal firepower, and it's affordable. Now, why the magistrate judge's ruling is the lesser judge, in most cases, most people don't know that. If you did agree to the magistrate judge, you didn't realize that it's a lesser judge, and you're throwing yourself under the bus for them to throw your stuff out sooner. Because when you agree to the magistrate judge to have an administrative ruling, it's fraud right out the gate because they don't tell you what they should tell you, and then you go along with that, you know, and now the magistrate judge go ahead and makes a ruling without consent from all parties because you were not informed. Fraudulent concealment means no expiration, so you can deploy this years later. Fraudulent concealment is a federal doctrine that tolls the statute of limitations, and we use it as a cause of action at the front and in the middle. So anyone who lost because the judge sided with the attorneys can now fight back. You can fight back. This is $400 federal lawsuit offer for just $50, and it comes with a free bar card. The bar card is $75 by itself. Okay, this is fire right here. And this is what we're doing. Challenge them to stop the process and stop violating our. Oh, the power of the document forces the court to the settlement conference. Think about it. You're forcing the court to this. Well, you're already doing that, even if you didn't have power in the document, because you're bringing federal case law to the table in state court. State court players cannot respond to federal case law with statutes and codes. Bam, it's a check down right there, and you check their butt right out the door. And if they move it to federal, they still can't respond because they don't have a bar card. And nobody has a license. Y'all keep up with me. They don't have a federal bar card. So bam, they still can't respond when they move to federal court. That's why you demand, okay, so in a nutshell, you play with these fools over here, you get what you need to get on the record, okay, which is all of the federal stuff. And then when you're ready to file in your federal court, you get a certified copy of that state docket sheet of everything, and a certified copy of the entire docket sheet, and you take with you as your evidence in the federal court. Now, with that and the fact they can't, so that's why I made this right here, because you're going to need this to back you up. How they react when you use it. Most of the time, when you use the stuff, when you bring the fire to the table, the clerks scramble. They take your stuff in the back room. They talk, then they come back. They try to get out of taking it. The judges are stalling. We haven't had anybody over the settlement conference yet, but we about to get there. And this package is my testimonial, okay? Because I'm giving myself. I built this package based off of what they're doing, what they're trying to do. And I showed you guys a copy of what they're trying to do. You know, you file your fire, that RICO fire that we put together, we filed the fire. You know, they're passing it around trying to get out of a threat. This was part of what we're going to do to stop them from violating. $50, come on now. This is going to be for a very short time. I need 10 video reviews, and you don't have to have your face in it. And that's the reason why I'm giving these away cheap, because I need video reviews so other people can see that normal everyday people are using them to get some stuff done. So, you know, you got the $400 lawsuit package, you got the $75 bar card. The lawsuit package also serves as a notice of claim if you need to use it to bluff them to go sit down and let you pass or whatever. Your price? I don't even want to say it no more. I'm getting dizzy just saying what the price is. Now, this is one of several documents in this category, and all of them are priced to sell. Don't miss out on this fire opportunity. Add to the cart. Oh wait, if the cart's not there yet, use that button and pay me through WhatsApp or PayPal before we get the button installed. I'll have to email you after, call me, and then and let me know. If you pay by WhatsApp, you need to let me know that too, because I got something special for you. I'm gonna hook you up with the credit card lawsuit package that I got. Call me up, and remember, when you check out, you'll have to use one of those links, because I don't have add the cart button installed yet. My website people are busy doing some more important things. That's making the website look pretty badass. Thank you, Humira. I really enjoy working with you, and your work is outstanding. So file a $200 million federal claim, or you can use it as a notice of claim. It has a demand to strike and vacate the ruling and tolls your statute of limitations for. Now, you'll have the same power. You actually have more power as a licensed attorney. You'll see how when you put this in your face. Pro se power. That's what you get around here. That pro se power. We're bringing to the table right now the document that has a fraudulent concealment. It tolls the statute of limitations. This package was born from being violated myself, and it's bringing the same power that a non-bar attorney would bring. That's how I'm going to put that. And you get your bar card too. And this $400 package has been reduced down to $50 because I need some reviews on it. Right now, this is going to be one of the packages that we use to stop the court process. I need to have reviews on it showing that it is doing all of that. Now, I want to take you guys over, and I put notice in here, but this is actually a lawsuit. You can see right there, it's actually a lawsuit, but you can also use it as a notice of claim if you need to. In my case, they blocked my summons from being served because I didn't send out the form that they said I needed to send out after they gave it to me before I sent the stuff. I didn't send it there. You gotta be kidding me right now. I told the clerk that I did not consent, and I looked at her and said, well, if you don't consent, then, okay, if all parties have to agree and I don't consent, then are you kidding me right now? It's my stinking game here, and I'm saying no. So they want to challenge me and had the nerve to put in the document that the counsel. So I chopped up the document with the marker, and I'm not sure why you would assume I'm counsel. So this tells you what you get inside. This is one sweet deal. On this, you can get this deal, and you can change it into whatever you want. You can change it for foreclosure. It'll take a little work, but you can change it. If you're struggling, and this is the deal right here, $50. Are you kidding me right now? Okay, who is this for? Pro se litigants ready to demand accountability, even if the violation happened years ago. Anyone who lost in court because the judge held you to the standard of a licensed attorney. We're about to get personal over here. Anyone whose judge allowed the attorneys to win simply because they're licensed. No, we're not done. People who understand judges paid by the state creating a conflict. Anyone who lost in court due to the judge's administrative ruling rather than a lawful judicial decision. There's a lot of people need this. I'm thinking, if everybody get this who need it, I can lower the price of some other stuff. Yeah, y'all see where my head is. You see where my head is. Homeowners in foreclosure where the magistrate judge blocked or delayed filing. Almost, 2/3 of these things, I just put up with in the last last month and that part. No, we're bringing some heat to the table to address for the what? Who doing what for the what? Okay, sorry. Hey, homeowners in foreclosure who management judge blocked or delayed. Now, this is just for any judge. It don't have to be for the management judge. We just put that on there because in the federal level, which is where we end up, where we're supposed to get this wrapped up at, they're over here playing dirty too. So any defendants in debt collection, tax cases. Oh, but hey, it ain't about the taxes or the foreclosure. It's about the judge violating. So now it's a little different story. Oh, pro se litigants who were denied jury trials and forced into the magistrate's proceedings without knowledge or consent. I didn't put knowledge in there, but you're without knowledge or consent because you don't know that you have the consent. You don't have people fined or sanctioned by the magistrate judge for challenging jurisdiction or asking about authority. Did I wrap this up tight or not? I'm a little proud of this. And it's only $500. I mean $50. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna have to go to therapy and work through that. All right, but that's all right. I'm getting some review videos. This is for victims of the magistrate judge refusing summon or filing. That's what to refuse. Yeah, well, it ain't over yet. Anyone denying due process or constitutional protections. I got one left, and I don't think there's anybody that's listening to this that ain't involved in a whole bunch of these. I don't know. If there's somebody that's been through the court process and these don't apply to you, you should let me know because I need to. Why this is different. You can see it right there. This ain't just a form. This is a legal strike backed by education. You'll learn how to assert your federal claims, demand $200 million in damages, issue notices of claims, strikes. You'll be striking them. Oh, and then you'll secure a van tour, which wipes out the order. Tour. I need to work on that. And then you got the free bonus. You get the free bar card. Take back control with the magistrate judge $200 million lawsuit package for only $50. If you got jammed up, you can file for justice. Issue notice of claim to the court. Strike back against the unlawful administrative issues that they put you through. This isn't just a filing. And then also I need to put in here if you invest before we get the button installed, you'll have to give me a call and let me know that you did and if you use Cash App or not, because I have something special for people to use Cash App. Call me if I don't pick up. Just shoot me a small text. Hey, I invested in this package. Here is my name and email address. And then I'll go pull you up. And I'll have to email you the package myself. Now, you need to make sure that you copy and paste any documents into your own Word before you personalize them so they don't show in my file. If I send you something behind that's not through the website, your stuff, if you don't do this, your information is going to show in my. If you've been jacked around by this process, you need to get this right now while it's on sale, and let's get going. Thank you for the value of sharing your time. I'm Coach Neighbors. Learn how to get your punches in.